I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell.
You've seen the title, so you know that today's video is gonna be a haul. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Vidisha. I hope you stick around and check out the rest of my videos. As you know, today's video is gonna be a haul video and I love filming haul videos. And this is gonna give me a chance to actually wear the things that I bought. Because yeah, 2020, I just wore these things inside the house, more or less. So yeah, let's go ahead and start the haul. So I decided in today's haul I'll be showing you all the clothes and accessories that I got from 3 websites: Nykaa Fashion, Urbanic and Myntra. I think I'm gonna start with Myntra Fashion because I just have 2 items to show, including this one. Both of the items that I'm gonna show from Nykaa Fashion were actually gifts from my sister. I chose them myself. She asked me to choose what I wanted for my birthday. I got these in September and she sent these to me on my birthday. This one is from Forever New. I'm gonna mention the actual price and stuff. I love the color and the fit of this. It actually, I gained a little bit of weight, I think, during the lockdown. So it's a little bit tighter than it was when I first tried it on. It's okay, it's not super tight, it's not uncomfortably super tight, but I think I would have got a little bigger size than this had I known I would gain a little bit of weight. So yeah, that's the first item. The actual price for this one, let me check. Okay, the actual price for this one was 2701 rupees and on offer this was for 1520 rupees. The second thing from Nykaa Fashion, which was also a gift from my sister, is this set. I love this. It's from a brand called Adornite. I love how soft this is. I can actually live in this one. And since these kind of shirts are also quite trendy for outdoor outfits, I think I can style this for outdoorsy looks too. We'll see about that. I haven't decided that since, yeah, I haven't felt the necessity to yet. If you watched my last video, I pretty much more than half the video I was in this set. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a lot of sets like this in different colors. Peach one and a silver one would look amazing. I recently watched the Wonder Woman 1984 and one of the PJ sets that she wears is very similar to this one but in silver and it looked really good, so I'm gonna try and search if I find a silver one too. Yeah, anyways, as I mentioned, this is from Adornite and the actual price of this was 1999 as in 2000 rupees, but the price that we got it in is 1600. Okay, let's move on to Myntra now. The first thing that I want to show from Myntra is an accessory and it's from a brand, Accessorize, and it's this headband. It's a leopard print headband from Accessorize and I got this during the sale, the Myntra super sale, mega sale. What was the name of the sale? I don't know why it's not coming to my head right now. Anyways, the Myntra sale basically. The actual price of this one was 1245 rupees, but I got this on sale for 373. I mean, it's a weird number, but then yeah, I got it for 373 to be exact. Up next, I got this Batman sweatshirt from Myntra from a brand called YK Justice League, and this is actually from the kids section, the boys section from age 10 to 11, and it fits me perfectly. I thought the hand will be a little short. It is a little short for me, but then it's not that short. Either way, I was planning to just roll up the sleeves and wear it, so that doesn't matter, but in case it gets a little cold outside if I wear it, I can pull it up and it doesn't really look like I'm wearing a kid's sweatshirt. So that's good. And the price that I got this for, the actual price of this one was $13.99, so almost $1400. and I paid 419 rupees. That is amazing. I got this during the sale too. And with that, I'm wearing this skirt which I also got in the sale from Myntra. This is from H&M, and the actual price of this one was 1499. I got it for 524. Just a really cute basic black skirt which can be styled in so many ways, so I absolutely love basics like this. The next piece is this cute little top from Myntra. This was actually a gift for my birthday from a friend, and so I don't know the actual price of this. I think it's a really cute beach top, and I actually wore it once for an Instagram reel, and you can check it out on my Instagram, and I layered it for that particular look, so that way it can also be worn for winters or any other seasons. And yeah, I think it's really cute, and I'm really excited to go to the beach someday, hopefully soon, and wear this. The next 4 things from my Myntra list are shoes. The first pair being these. I needed them. My previous pair of workout shoes gave up towards the end of the clothing challenge. If you haven't watched that, there is a video of me doing the clothing challenge. I'll link it in the description box below, or I'll put an iCard. So go ahead and check it out if you want to. Yeah, so I had to get a new pair, and I had been meaning to try out shoes from HRX. On the website, they look really good. And yeah, I want to see if they're comfortable or not, and I have to say these are comfortable. These are not as good looking as most of the Nike designs according to me, but they are quite comfortable, and they are way cheaper than the Nike shoes. And I needed them because I have been working out on and off during the lockdown, more off than on, to be honest. But I have been running / walking most evenings. For that, I have been using these a lot, and I got this on sale too. Let me just check. So yeah, the actual price of these were rupees 2999, as in 3000 rupees, and I got this for 944, under 1000. So that is amazing. That's the first pair of shoes. Let's move on to the next one. The next pair of shoes are these. I think actually these shoes, the HRX shoes and these shoes came around the same time. This was actually a gift from my sister for birthday, and I love them. She sent me a few options which one I wanted, and I chose these. I haven't still wore them outside. I, however, did the shoe flip challenge with these, so that is the only time I actually use this. But I'm very excited to wear this outside because how pretty is this? This is gonna be so great for a vacation party. And unfortunately, I don't know the price of this one because it was a gift, but I'm sure you'll be able to find it in Myntra if it's still available. And in fact, if it's still available, I'll try to find it and put the link in the description box below. So check it out if I have it. And these are from Ginger by Lifestyle. Next, I got some flats. I hadn't got flats for a very long time. As you can see, I actually wore this quite a bit because I stay inside a campus, and the delivery and all those things comes to the main gate, so we have to walk. So I've used this mostly for that purpose. And the few times I've gone to a friend's place, I've worn this mostly, so they look a little worn out. These are from Corsica, and I love how pretty the design is. Actually really pretty. So yeah, these are from a brand called Corsica, and I got this on sale too. The actual price of this was rupees 2899, and I got this for 738 rupees, so that is a huge margin. And the last pair of shoes that I got are these ones from Roadstar. They're these platform shoes. I haven't had shoes like this for quite a long time. I remember having a very similar pair when I was in like 4th or 5th standard, I believe, and it is a design that has kind of come back in 2020, and I want to have a pair. I haven't really worn this yet, but I think it's gonna look nice with socks on. We'll see about that, but it's quite comfortable. These are from Roadster, and I got this pair for rupees 1899, as in 1900 rupees, and I got this for 645. So another great deal. So yeah, those were the 4 shoes that I got from Myntra. And what's next? The next item on the Myntra list is this dress, but according to me, it's more of a cover-up because it's so see-through. So that was a big disappointment for me because I didn't think it was a see-through dress. Otherwise, I like the design, I like the fit, I like the polka dots. So I don't think I'll be able to wear it anywhere in a city. Maybe if I layer it up, but I'm excited to wear this in a beach on top of a swimsuit. So yeah, I'm gonna be saving this up for that. Seems like I'm saving a lot of clothes for the beach. Anyways, the price. The actual price for this was 1299, as in 1300, and I got this for 779. So price wise, okay, the next and the last thing that I got from Myntra is this dress. It's from a brand called Safras. If I'm not saying the name wrong, I'll put the name of the brand on the screen. And I really like this dress. The only thing is that it's a little big for me, so I need to get it altered, especially here. So other than that, I really like this dress. It's super comfy and flowy. I've seen these kind of necklines, especially in sleeves and necklines with long mini dresses worn a lot in Korean TV shows, and they look amazing in them. So I wanted to get one for myself, though this did not work out as well. Hopefully it'll work out well after I get it altered. But anyways, the actual price of this dress is 1999, 2000 rupees, and got this for 594. Okay, the last site that I shop clothing from is Urbanic. It's a newly discovered site for me. I don't exactly know when it was started, but ever since I actually saw their catalog, I was in love. They have so many trendy designs, so you should definitely check it out if you are into trendy pieces. First thing that I got is this corset. In the middle of 2020, corsets were becoming a huge thing, so I also wanted to try one, so I got this. They don't really have a lot of options. I think they have just this one design of corsets in 3 colors: black, white and khaki, I guess. So I would have liked it if they have more. I'm not sure if they have more designs now. If they do, then I will check it out and link them below. But yeah, for now I chose the black one because I thought it's a classic piece and I can make a lot of dark academia outfits out of it. So maybe a video will come about that later. But yeah, this is the first corset that I got. It is quite stretchable and it has these 3 rows of hooks, so you can hook it here or you can hook it there throughout. I've never worn this out because I did not really get the chance to, but I'm excited to style it, and most probably a video will be coming later on. Up next, I got this cute little crop top. I am a crop top hoarder because I'm a very tiny person and I think crop tops suit me the best compared to longer tops. I look shorter in longer tops. I saw this very cute crop top, very 90s and very 2020. I love this part of the top. It's a single strap crop top with laces and pearls and what do you call this design? I have no idea. I was actually searching for some 90s aesthetics inspired stuff, and that's where I stumbled upon this one. It was so perfect for that. I love the color, and it has these lace designs here to some extent, like a camisole. My favorite part here are these pearls, and I don't know what it's called, but it is very 90s and very aesthetic, so I love it and I am excited to wear this. It's cold right now, so I haven't worn this yet, but I'm excited to wear this in the summers. Also, before I forget to say, this was priced at 590 and I bought it in the actual price. Okay, the next piece that I picked up is this sweater-ish top. It looks like this. I love the color. However, I have a few problems with this. It looked like it's a crop top, but it turns out it's not. But for casuals, it's not so bad, so I decided to keep it. I love the color. I do have a problem with the buttons though. They don't look very high quality, so that is a scene. But other than that, I think it's fine. I am gonna find use for this. And the price of this one was $990 and I got it for $594. And it's time to show probably my favorite piece that I got from Urbanic. It's this cropped sweatshirt. It's this fuzzy material and it's so freaking soft. It's amazing. I love everything about this. I love the length of this top. I'm not generally a polo lover, but then it looks really good in this. It's a very schoolgirl-ish vibe and I love that, and it is just super comfy and cozy. So cute and comfy. what more can we want? The actual price of this one was 1990 and I got it for 1194. And last but not the least, this workout set from Urbanic, and I love the quality of this. This was actually the first thing that I bought from Urbanic. I was looking for some cute workout wear and that's when I stumbled upon Urbanic and I was so impressed by the quality. It's actually a set. It's amazing that it's priced at 1290. Otherwise, you don't really get to see sets, good quality sets in 1290, and this was it. So if you're looking for some workout wear, you should definitely check out Urbanic. Now, I can't vouch for every single piece if they're equally good quality, especially for the price, but I'm definitely gonna vouch for this set and I absolutely love it. It's a thick material and it's comfy, it's pretty cute. And that's the end of the haul. I hope you liked it and please do subscribe, it means so much to me, and leave me some website recommendations that I should check out for cute clothes and accessories. I would love to get some new things and do a haul. Having said that, I hope you have a great day ahead and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye!